Hello, guys, welcome to Beyond. Today I will teach you about inheritance. So stay tuned to this video. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is an important part of OOPs. Why use inheritance in Java? For method overriding, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. For code reusability. Extending a class or the properties or behavior of a class is called inheritance. The class which has been extended is called parent or base class, and the class which has been extended is called child or derived class. When extended, the child class will have almost all the properties or methods that are in the parent class, although it depends on the access modifiers of the parent class whether those properties are accessible or not. Types of inheritance. On the basis of class, there can be three types of inheritance in Java: single, multi-level, and hierarchical. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritances are supported through interface only. We will learn about interfaces later. Single inheritance. When a class inherits another class, it is known as a single inheritance. In the example given below, the lion class inherits the animal class, so there is a single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. For example, baby lion class inherits the lion class, which again inherits the animal class, so there is a multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherit a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. Why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java? To reduce the complexity and simplify the language, multiple inheritances are not supported in Java. Consider a scenario where A, B, and C are three classes. The C class inherits A and B classes. If A and B classes have the same method and you call it from the child class object, there will be ambiguity to call the method of the A or B class. Since compile time errors are better than runtime errors, Java renders compile time errors if you inherit two classes. So whether you have the same method or a different one, there will be compile time error. Advantages of inheritance. Minimizing duplicate code. Key benefits of inheritance include minimizing the identical code as it allows sharing of the common code among other subclasses. Flexibility. Inheritance makes the code flexible to change, as you will adjust only in one place, and the rest of the code will work smoothly. Overriding. With the help of inheritance, you can override the methods of the base class. Data hiding. The base class in inheritance decides which data to be kept private, such that the derived class will not be able to alter it. Disadvantages of inheritance. No independence. One of the main disadvantages of inheritance in Java is that two classes, both the base and inherited class, get tightly bounded by each other. In simple terms, programmers cannot use these classes independently of each other. Decreases execution speed. Another con of inheritance is that it decreases the execution speed because inheritance execution takes time and effort. Refactoring the code. If the user deletes the superclass, then they have to refactor it if they have used it. Summary of encapsulation. Java inheritance is a powerful concept that allows for the reuse of code, making code more efficient and easier to maintain. It encourages object-oriented programming and makes it possible to extend the functionality of existing classes. Inheritance is an important tool for creating complex software applications, making it an essential part of any Java programmer's toolkit. Thanks for watching.